We arrived here at Lake Lila earlier than expected, had serious, heavy rain, which made the paddle very interesting. It was hard to see each other with the heavy rain and fog. Interestingly as well, the water was actually very calm. We also learned our rain gear was not as efficient as we thought, and both of us ended up getting soaking wet. I even dropped my camera in the water in the bottom of the boat. We made it to campsite 21, an island site. Mosquitoes here to be absolutely atrocious. We did plan for that and brought a bug shelter, purpose of keeping our stuff and ourselves dry and out of the bugs. The prospective forecast for tomorrow looked to be a change in the wind direction and high winds, so it should make fishing interesting. Today is a beautiful day. The winds are coming out of the northeast and they're very strong and they don't seem to let up. The waves are weight capping, so our choice today is to paddle to the river and fish there.
Oh my God.